Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, news anchor of Love for Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 21st June from around the world. India crosses 4 lakh coronavirus cases after record jump in infections. India crossed 4 lakh novel coronavirus cases yesterday. On a day the country reported over 14,000 cases in its steepest one-day jump. The total number of cases is now 4,412 and the number of deaths linked to the contagion is over 13,000. India has the world's fourth highest number behind the United States, Brazil and Russia. India rejects China's claim of sovereignty over Galwan Valley in Ladakh. India on Saturday strongly rejected China's claim of sovereignty over Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh, asserting that attempts by the Chinese side to advance exaggerated and untenable claims are not at all acceptable. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said China's claim over Galwan Valley was not in accordance with its own position in the past, noting that attempts of transgression by Chinese side were invariably met with appropriate response from the Indian troops. BJP now more than twice as large as Congress in Rajya Sabha. With the result of the latest round of biennial elections to the Rajya Sabha being declared last evening, the BJP-led NDA has further widened its gap with the opposition in the upper house of the parliament, with the BJP now having 86 seats while rival Congress is down to 41. The National Democratic Alliance now has nearly 100 members in the 245-member House, with the support of friendly parties like the AIADMK, BJD, YSR, Congress Party and several allied nominated members and smaller parties is counted, then the Modi government is unlikely to face any serious numerical challenge in the House. Coronavirus Global Updates June 20. Turkey lost some ground in COVID-19 fight, says Erdogan. China continues to see fresh infections. As the number of global coronavirus cases continue to rise, health experts fear a fresh COVID-19 surge as economies and states reopen more aggressively. The number of infections has topped 8.5 million with over 460,000 fatalities. The United States continues to be the worst affected with over 2.2 million cases and 119,112 fatalities. In hospitals where there are surge in cases, health professionals have started prescribing dexamethasone, which was recently found to reduce the coronavirus death rate. Brazil's cases, which are rapidly increasing, crossed the 1 million mark Saturday. It is the second worst affected country. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.